Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting. And let's work with a function in Excel that is not very well known, called formula text. And why it's interesting, especially if you are an instructor and you are using Excel in class, it's a formula that doesn't do any calculation, only show the formula that is written on another cell as a text formula or a text instead of a number. So let's see how does it work. So for instance, consider that you are in a class that you are explaining time value of money and how to calculate present value. This is an actual file that I use in class. So here, this is our problem. Assume you just won the lottery. The state offers you 3 payout options. Option U, $2 million now, that the present value is $2 million, or 300,000 at the end of each year for 10 years, or 4 million 10 years from now. So I use these to explain them the present value. You should choose the greatest present value number instead of considering only the face value due to inflation and everything related to discount rate, interest rate, and so on. So, for instance, option 2. So I am here teaching, okay guys, let's do the present formula on Excel, much easier and more accurate than using time value of money tables. So how do we do it? Go on formulas, insert function, and present value. So present value, rate, 4%, number of period, 10 years, PMT negative, 300, no future value, nothing, 2.4. Good, however, we have a problem here. First, if you are working on a PowerPoint, these ones cannot be so easy to look at if any student is not paying 100% attention. They will not be able to follow it. They will try to look at my bar here. Okay, this is useful, but it is small. They will not be able to see it. So you need to stop your class, go back, because they will be asking, or worse, they will not be asking, just skip it. What if I have this formula here? Just type it like this. But without copying and pasting and adding these double quotes and so on, what if we have this formula right away? How do we do that? There is a way. We use a formula called formula text. Formula text. I want the formula that is written on this cell here to be shown here. Present value, B19, B18 minus B17, and we are good to go. So if I am explaining the next formula, a student was not able to find this number, but he's too shy to ask, or he or she doesn't want to interrupt me, they look at the formula, they can compare with the formula that they did and see where what they are doing wrong. And if I copy and paste, here it shows me the next formula. And if I change the formula for any reason, for instance, let's do here a sum of those numbers, and then formula text, sum, but oops, it's not the sum, it's the average. it changes automatically. I don't need to copy and paste the new formula and so on. So it goes, I can keep working with the file with the most important formulas. I only add it to where it should be, and then students can deal with that much easier. Or if you are sending it to a client, for instance, they will be able to see what kind of formulas you work it instead of them double checking each formula and so on. So it can be very helpful if you want to make your Excel file clear, or people need to understand what formula you are working and so on. Easy, huh? Easy and very interesting. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any assistance or comments, leave them here or email me. Have a very nice day and God bless you.